welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Muhammad Hasnan and welcome back to another video. So in our today's video, we're going to discuss about paralysis. But before that, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel, like my video and also share it with your family and friends. We are going to discuss what is paralysis, what are the causes, symptoms and treatments. So paralysis is a condition, it is a disease in which you are unable to move one part of your body. For example, one half of your body, which includes one arm, one hand and one leg. So there are some primary causes of paralysis. Let me tell you that. But first, let me tell you the symptoms of paralysis. So the symptoms, as I told you, you can try as hard as you can, but you can't move one part of your body. It's not important that always it's half of the body. It can be one hand, one arm, one leg, or sometimes even half of your face or the entire face. So now let's discuss the causes of paralysis. So the number one very primary cause of paralysis is blockage of oxygen and blood to the brain from the heart. This is called a stroke when there is interruption in the blood flow, mainly known as a blood clot, which stops the blood in the main artery from going to the blood, which also prevents the oxygen from getting into the blood, which can cause paralysis.
So here is an example showing a blood clot which is stopping the blood flow. So there are many reasons of it. The very primary reasons are high blood pressures, uncontrolled diabetes, a lots of fat which is building up in your blood vessels, a lot of calcium which is building up, and also cholesterol.
As in this, your brain stops working because the brain needs oxygen and blood to work. So when it gets no oxygen, it stops working, which causes this paralysis. So the second very primary cause of paralysis is the displacement of the spinal cord disc. Spinal cord is the long bone which is from your brain till your back. So it goes all the way to your back. So when this spinal cord disc moves, it causes a sudden change in the brain. So the brain stops functioning, which causes paralysis. So the third cause of paralysis is a serious injury to the brain or a trauma. So this could also affect paralysis because a trauma is a very serious condition which mainly affects the brain, and also brain injury because something hits your brain, so that could also cause paralysis. So now let's discuss the treatment of paralysis. So guys, whenever someone feels that they are developing paralysis, they are unable to move their body parts, don't delay and immediately take them to the hospital as soon as possible. Because if not treated on time, paralysis could develop more and it could be lifetime. So don't delay and take the affected person to the hospital as soon as possible. So in the hospital, the doctor would give medical treatment and services to finish this cause. So there are some small attacks which might go in a few minutes. So if it is the spinal cord case, means the spinal cord is displaced, so the doctor would do a small surgery to place the spinal cord. If it is a stroke, the doctor would do some treatments and some surgeries to make the blood flow clear from the heart to the brain so that the blood and oxygen can pass. So these are the treatments of paralysis which doctors would do, and you should not delay and take to the hospital the victim. Before leaving, let me tell you a story of a very dedicated person which will motivate you as well in your life. Let me tell you about Stephen Hawking, who was an English author and cosmologist, and he worked at the University of Cosmology. You might have heard about him. So he was paralyzed throughout his lifetime. He used to sit on a wheelchair and his mouth was also paralyzed. Although he was paralyzed, he motivated people, wrote stories about his life, and also wrote many other stories and books which dedicated people. So we should never lose hope in life. So now we have discussed the symptoms, causes and treatments of paralysis. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.